Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to show you my kit that came like moments ago from my postal lady. She brought it up to my porch and I was like, oh, thank you. I'm sure she's like, what is this woman always getting? Anywho, this is from Scrapbooking Coach at Home Kits. It comes in a really nice, look at, you can pop bubbles forever, sturdy bubble wrap mailer, and then the cutest packaging. You get this big old, strong, sturdy packaging type pizza box kind of deal with an enclosure. Guys, look, it goes and it just closes. It's just magically, it closes. Like it's, I don't know, does it have magnetic in there or something? It feels like it. Anywho, and you get a little thank you for your order and all that kind of stuff. Information, that's where you can get stuff. I will also, guys, have links down in the description if you guys need to see them. That way you can go ahead and you can subscribe to the kit and you can get the books, which, speaking of that, let me get my book really quick. So, Scrapbooking Coach has these sketchbooks and they are so useful. There's volume 1, which they're a little bit more simplified. Volume 2 is more advanced. I think volume 3 might be double page ones. There's one that has titles, and I think she just released something with cards too. So there's all kinds of sketches. So I will have links for the books down below, and they're affiliate links, guys. So if you don't want to use the link, I get you, do you, but that's what the links will be. They're going to be affiliate links. It'll be great. Okay, back to the current kit. It is for September 2023, and it is called Shades of Fun. Okay, so let's see. More bubble wrap, which makes me want to like do some kind of mixed media with that. So I might just leave that with my kit in the event that something will work for that. So let me take out the goodies. We'll get to the paper. And then, oh my gosh, there's a stencil. We'll get to the paper and then we'll go into the goodies, because that's usually how I like to do things. Now, when I'm storing my kit, I put everything right back into the magic box because it's so sturdy. Okay, you do get a design guide with every kit. And also, Anna, she creates all these videos using the kit. Like, she does so many of them. She uses that on both Instagram and in the group. And like they're quality videos where she's just talking and she sounds like this one British chef. It's like the best voice. Anyway, so there's design guide for y'all. Okay, let's get to the opening because I want to see what I'm working with this month. I want to see and touch them and feel them and also decide, you know, how much more stuff for mixed media. How many things are going to get fussy cut? That happens a lot too. Okay, let me put my stack over here and we'll get into it. All right, so let's see. The color story is very interesting. We've got like the sagey color, right? Got a couple tones of yellow, like one's buttery, one's a little bit more of a golden, but it's got like a tinge of green in it. Got kind of an indigo vibe. Okay, that is a good start. Interesting. Oh, the flip side has sunnies on it. So we've got this great sage, which is this stripe right here. But the sunglasses, so many of them have different prints in them. I think it's really cute. Look at these. There's stars going on and polka dots, and we've got little triangles in there. So cute. Oh, and then just like the lines on them. Very cool. So that one's fun. Oh, this is so pretty. This is like this beautiful white core with baby blue, and the lines are like, they're imperfect, and I love an imperfect line. Very fun. Ooh, a cut apart. Okay, so this is cool. You can never shine too bright. Then we have wordy bits. I love wordy bits. Nice little journaling block you can work with. Remember this, a block. Stories matter. Nice big journaling block. Look at this. It's kind of like a lilac-y pink tone. And then we've got some print with drippies. Oh, and then this big piece that's very interesting. It's like a kind of like a dome on it. Very cool. Documented. Bringing in a little pink. Okay. Now this is cool. Lots of wordy bits, magic memories. So over and over and over. I think that's super fun. And then there's a strip on the bottom with these eyeglasses, and they're like slightly cat eye glasses, which I think is cool. So cool. I was looking at my like reader glasses I have right here. I'm like, interesting. They look like them. Yes, they do. All right, so we have that. And then the flip side, ooh. So this, okay, y'all, this is like interesting because it's between butter and daffodil, right? And there's X's and O's on it, and they are lined up on a diagonal, and they look kind of like chalk or something, or like they're just painted. They're not like these perfect script. Very cool. All right, so now we have got a gingham. And I love it when you can see kind of like the print that's, is my other light not on? No, it's not. Okay, there it is. I love it when you can see the print of the line beneath it, and they're a little bit on the wonk. Very cool. And then the flip side to that, ooh, okay. Okay, now we're talking. We are now doing the talking. This will all get fussy cut up. Every little piece will be fussy cut. I mean, these pieces right here, I can use with a punch, but look at the florals and the mothy bits. Oh, that's fun. Ooh, look at this like nice deep peachy tone that's in here. Okay, that's a gorgeous, fun piece of paper, like something I have not seen. Very cool. Okay, now we've got a good scallop. We've got the pinks, the two tones of yellow, and then like a desaturated indigo. Is that a way to put it? I mean, I know it's a blue, but it definitely, I guess it's close. It's so close to this shade, like so close, but it's got that vibe to me, like just a desaturation. Who knew? Okay, the flip side to that. Oh, it's buttery yellow, right? See, like we've literally got all these different shades of this, and it's called Shades of Fun, so maybe, But look at the houses, and I've got some ideas already. Oh, I have such ideas already to go with that. So fun. Then we've got this, it's like little hatch marks with all of these gorgeous colors in the collection. I love that the pink has a touch of blue in it. Very cool. And then the last side, is that? I don't know. The flip side is this nice deep sage, and there are letters and numbers. How cool. We've got a 1, 2, 3. We've got an R. I'm like, Anyway, and there's text, and there's a shadow behind them. It's very interesting. So that is the papers. Okay. And then, ooh, we've got a stamp. Come here, little guy. It wants to open. Does it want to open? I don't know. Can it be opened? It's trapped. It is trapped in like stamp jail. There it is. I couldn't find the little dealio. Okay, so we've got letters and numbers. Very cool. And I'm going to just grab this adhesive I have so we can really see them. And they're pretty blocky, and they're kind of cute. They're not big. They're not small. They're just right. So we've got stamps. That's fun. And we also have, guys, we have a stencil. What do I have? I have nothing solid. There's, y'all, the things I'm using to show you. This is a foam sheet that does not come in the kit. We have Shine, You, Bright, Love, Today, Magic. So like shine bright, like a diamond. Okay, never mind. I'm singing. So very cool. We've got those two mixed media, like non-consumables. I love non-consumables. Okay, then we have a trim. We've got a textile hanging out, guys. It's hanging out. Oh, pretty. It's a nice navy with white. Is this called like gross grain or something like that? Very nice. And since people like to know, I've got 1 foot. I've got 2 feet. So you've got like 3 feet. I don't know what it is around the world. You know, Americans, what can you do? 3 feet of ribbon. all right. Oh, how cute. Let me get them out. I need a little bin for my goodies, the little themes while I'm talking to you because I don't want to lose anything. Let me get my little bin. Hold on. We must hold on just for a moment. I won't be gone long. Oh, this bin kind of matches, so I'm going to bring it in. My little bins from Target. We've got some little wood veneer glasses or sunglasses, depending on what you need them to be. Look at how cute. There's 2, 4, 5 of them. Cute. Those are cute. And then we have got, what's this? So I see these, guys, it's like a little Prezi. It's a Prezi that you just can't open. Okay, I have got twine, interesting. A bunch of twine. I've got clothespins. Very interesting. I've got a bunch of them. And then, oh, but wait, there are a big old stack of these white guys. So they're like frames and you can put messages in them. You can put photos in them. You can do whatever. And there's like a little notch so you can get something out of it if you want to. Very interesting, guys. Okay, next I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little yellow brads in a very, very nice color match, guys. Very nice. So I've got brads. And then the last thing that I have is there's these die cuts. Let's see what the deal is. Let's get the stitch. The stitcheroo. I'm going to put them into my little bin too, just while I create this weekend. If there's anything left over, it can go right back in my box. So we've got these sunglasses. So I've got some gorgeous green. I have got some pink with green lenses. Nice sagey color. And then I've got large ones. I wonder, because I'm a dork. Yep, they're life size. Actually, they're bigger than my large glasses. So we've got these really cute sunglasses that are quite large. So that's what we have, guys. We have all of these treasures. I'm getting my goodie bins ready. And I want to start creating with these things. So I'm going to sign off. I will get this video up for you guys ASAP. I'm going to get creating and I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.